This is a different one to Rotis-Chu. Here's Milivojevic! It doesn't matter if it sneaks over anyway. It's in now, and Crystal Palace have the start they wanted. Wilfried ZAHA is claiming it, whether it was over the line or not. First blood to Crystal Palace in a huge derby.
He's got the freedom to drive into the box, Milivojevic. Ryan does his best to stop it.
The result is another Crystal Palace corner. They're keeping the pressure on here. That's Tompkins. Ryan doesn't get there properly. MacArthur. Tompkins! Crystal Palace are in dreamland. One of the biggest games of the season, and they are really coming to the party.
And it's nothing more than they deserve. It took 3 attempts. Ryan does well to stop the first, second, eventually Tompkins.
Here comes from Gross. Duncan's there! And Brighton have one back. Kabay didn't control. Here's Milivojevic and ZAHA! Wow! Crystal Palace have 3. Brighton looked for a flag that never came. And Wilfried ZAHA puts Crystal Palace firmly in control.
And no pressure on the ball. So Milivojevic has got all the time he wants to pick out the run of ZAHA. Matt Ryan's looking around as if to say, who's marking him? Well, Strelotto, and he doesn't do his job. He can see him, but he doesn't go with him.
Here's Locadia. He's got Izquierdo free. Jose Izquierdo! Brighton are back in it. Selhurst Park erupts. It's derby delight for Crystal Palace. This could be a huge result.